From Badwam Ahosepe, live from Cafe Bar Noir, Jolu Police Station in Chahonoma. All the Tuesdays are one casa when you most of my area no. Na Mamma Wakwaba, the Mary no, na ma Minken there in the commercial or by a very special into no Bomazana baby papa that's na. Aye, na yaba about you chunko more. And there, my guest are Menya no, or Wahade no, my guest no. O you be a ochonyum na otu numi yeso pa na osimunyende wa mana na we dre anko na mekade say mobobo no nyomo ha dey za bechem back to back wa man hit e wo Ghana ha dey na so no oye gospel artist into no say oba no nyame edwuma no mu so a orizima akotel papa e reyembri ore tracker momome za amanyankopana na ne pay. My guest is Celestine Donko. Good morning.
Morning.
We have a power.
You're
so pretty.
You're also very pretty.
Okay. It's you have a new song and you may come a power because Zoting in there. Now as Christians, simple before Bibi Bessie were in Abrabono, and I shadow there be as ye and Penny Betty. Because will be at now the Gary or the Gary. But you are talking about testimony. You are asking people to come and see.
Okay, thank you very much. I think that Embre do say ye day life a example to people. What kind of Bible Paul say? Shemi suyame. Seni amishe Yesu suyano no. Enti ye kanya mi asem mpempia ye bo Paul mudin ye bo David ye bo Samson ye bo Bible people no edin. But I think said the most effective way ubetimi connecting with people is to share your story with them. We can't always hide behind these Bible people and be preaching the word of God. Young lady binam or shemi NCCA and a young man binam or NCCA. Oh here encouragement be oh here strength be oh here some word be inspired. Or person what Celestine has gone through. Because hey, this is not all it is.
Okay.
Ya funny and na ye di one dance say. Dear ye casting ya me be no be ye adentia because ya fame we ye free. It also me awon name no erade be ye fame. I don't think there is any effective gospel to preach aside the one that you have encountered.
Very true.
Yes. That is what inspires some of the things I do.
Wow. My young no come and see me peda talk akwa. As a mama be no obi hunyum cry actually.
No problem. Say Seminimpa.
Thank you.
Senyami beshira mi se yanka mensu. Sena minimpa senyami bepeja mi se yanka. Membu mi wabumfia. Adie ni pentu mianye. Ni amahudi tumianye erade wayamana boroso amana donko bipa misemwa webie shirapono eyi mepie senyanyambia ankamewu mummeshenia minyamia yo
mummeshenia nyamito right you may come up and you make but you show promotion me with the entire challenges na I open verse ne we mo bi obi ntubi make a part the song before this one no na yeto wa ho na kakra the you say man try it down no nim na mu
man that drink America.
Hey, man, hey, what's no papa? We got a lot of people singing along. Into our strategy, Anna.
I think I think it's one of the ways you can get the song into the hearts of the people. And you need a bra metro na me co studio na media. But the moment me I release is for the people. And so any ways to get the song to the people is very, very important. I made the Ahosepe for my TikTok fans.
Okay.
They really love, to be part of the song. And so I'm so glad, say, me the jump on. In fact, say me release it. They actually come in my DM when are we starting a new challenge.
I see.
Yes, and that's how excited and vibrant my TikTok fans especially are. And I'm thankful to God because I think every artist be a dream itself by having this kind of connection with the fans. Okay. And that is very, very important.
And does it work?
Oh yes, it does. Oh yes, it does. I mean, engagement be our engaging songs all over streaming platforms. It helps streaming platforms and social media. It helps the song to go far.
Okay. Yeah. My the fact that it helps the song to go far. No. At what point and the beginning menu music wafa. When you know the fans and the menu music, I've sold the song.
It do a bra me who say yeah tour churches. Me who say yeah tour public places to say maybe I away. Yeah, ball public places. For your weddings, I will use.
Okay.
It's on the lips of kids. Streaming numbers are going up. YouTube views are going up. They will say yes, Safa. So we numbers be a yes.
Okay, matters. Now, yeah, kind of when I brother Kasafa or TikTok fans, Kasafa the fact that Mutumpo DMO there.
Yes.
For that banana was start a new challenge. I remember there on Cherry Biazi. Now there was this conversation about Ghana had they say from the artists they be in the whole year let's say be releasing your man. People your fans are worried. No either man you are off from the system. Do you feel like that sometimes?
I don't feel like that because I'm actually very busy and releasing monthly. Wow. I always engage my followers every month with a new something.
Wow.
It is a be I mean ready say me release new song crana. I go back and pick an old song that they love. Okay. And then I redo it in maybe me in a faster, me a slow version. It's just to engage them.
It's not on your pressure do.
No, that's my ministry.
Wow.
I have to I wake up to it. Me no.
Okay, fully needs it.
I wear it, so it's my ministry. To say ma obibe sorry, say all corner office. But I juma morning till evening. This is my ministry. I wake up to it. It's actually a yenije. Say obe sorry every day. Be anu obibi si we ni so awoye.
No, why true, papa. Now, Yabaka Day say, yes, how relevant to say, then it's a testament to what you are saying that every month be the way engage the fans. But you want to for me because you were a wife and you were a mother. It's easy when you're sure there or the home.
Yes, and be easy.
Okay.
As long as me decide to say. Me school no me go insurance juma me go bank juma me music no it is my ministry, it is my work.
Yeah, very true. No was Mariana pay Celestine Donko and I'm gonna ask I'm gonna twetwe new song come and see but mozna ne te nwom no nwom no ye kama papa especially say am ya bibia mo paaza no na nwom no oye wonwom o se di tum na as a vibe o se twa TikTok why open verse why for why wait shem o post so because me do o share for one ze na ze one page do na ye kasafa how we manage wo minim there wukun no manage but na wakade wukun one ma bia artist no wukun manage wa onkoye but me would awuzo no offer pepe the done.
I think say yemi no yete ye ho ase and yete ejuma na se. Wow. Say nyame hu ne say nyame afrɛ me wonum to mu ono nso hu ne say nyame afrɛ no wonum promotion. Okay. Into as much as me want passion for writing and releasing songs, he has passion to make sure the song reaches the ends of the world. Okay. And I think it's just two passionate people working together. Wow. And no achieve the results.
Is there like doesn't it mix together? Maybe the marriage, another different relationship. Also, but different relationship aside from the marriage now. And now together.
They were humanity.
Sikasem point in America them no.
Sikasem.
Because some day me ya admit Mr. Yeniska. A woman's money is her money. Into me understand how you are balancing.
Oh,
that's with marriage.
Make us me bless no double.
Wow.
Because he my husband and no say my boss. Inti or take care of me as the wife and also sort me out as the artist.
Aze. Techema.
Oh yes. Because at everyone under normal circumstances a husband will not buy.
Okay.
But as an artist you buy for me. It's it's a blessing. I mean, sure.
Okay. You can't tell us about my. We can discuss the video. No, we show video. No, come and see me say, hey, this one day, yeah, in car come, papa. I can't come because we hear the scenes and the props. Now that you see now, abakau.
On that film.
Wow.
On that film.
My young cousin for video. No, what try?
Your friend director Abbas.
Okay.
Oh no, I mean I YouTuber for some time now since Agbebolo. Oh no, Agbebolo video since that time no.
And but I'm one of my favorites.
Me that's it.
I
never knew you favor me this way. You turned my life around. I played alone. I never imagined bringing me this far. You turned my life around.
Okay, it's back to the video that you can watch.
Yes, it's director Abbas Roche. He's a very talented young man.
Okay.
Who is doing a lot. You're very creative. I like to work with him.
Okay.
Or challenge also. Maybe there are certain things that if you leave me your video and I'll be you know, but he'll push you that you are not doing the thing for yourself. You're doing it for the people.
True.
So make sure you connect to them. What they I'm a make a fan. What I try now. Oh yeah, they are your fans want. The costumes now they like how to even pose, how to appear and everything.
Oh, it was nice.
And I like working with you.
It's nice. Oh, if a
oh, a caddy, but
is it your most expensive video?
Is it? No, it's not. It's not my most expensive.
Why is not your most expensive video? Video man, who's bar?
You see, I mean, ask question where I can't answer it straight because video be what you need.
Okay.
Video be about unye nipa bebre.
Okay.
And adibia yenso anipa bebre remember no e ka video be so a feature international artist. Obeba betwa ne flight. Yeah. E book hotel. Ti ma be on the cost. Ti be ka send the book. I can say the most expensive because of this element.
Nanti, apart from Enyum Tono, is that any other business?
Oh yes, we have a whole media setup. Photo shoot. Like your live recording studio. Okay. Your rehearsals, your live recording. We have equipment. We rent equipment. Okay. And me and I'm an entrepreneur. I'm into beverages production.
Wow. I'm a beveraging.
Oh, me, the sweetest sobolo in town. Of course. And a fresh juices, pineapple, ginger, beetroot ginger, yeah. Okay. It's really, really, really
That starts a snail business, no? I saw it. We say, hey, but the snails must be free from Cape Coast. No, you can't be away and your nature. But you're strong, so start a business, no? Start a business, no? I'm
not Joe.
Start business na YouTube na ye chili beans, Makade, you have done well.
Thank you.
For yourself. Oh, I think say about 2 days ago or just yesterday, they posted a video. I called some school St. Roses. Wow, how was the reception like?
In fact, I was totally shocked because I wasn't expecting that kind of welcome.
Wow.
They really planned to host me. And it was just beautiful. It humbles me. Sometimes God has blessed us now, but Shenya maybe and I sound bro yes so kakra. So I felt like wow, this is like Queen Elizabeth welcome or First Lady welcome.
Okay.
And the students were just happy and excited.
Wow.
And it tells me to say the songs we are doing is blessing their lives.
Yes.
Because people cannot be this excited if you're not giving anything to them.
No car.
I mean, the whole, I think I performed for over an hour with them. The hunger in their spirit, the joy,
on the spirit
it's humbling, to be honest. And I thank God for some of these experiences.
Okay, you look forward to such boy and secondary schools. And I didn't know what to say for one.
Oh, I'm a friend, member, and I face so me and Cassandra.
Education or free.
Oh, I mean, me boys in school for one to be affordable.
What I say?
Me boys in I want to afford them, but I believe, say, Ejumana ministry. I have said this many times. And you baby and the red card echo. There's some places that you need to just bless, you know, without even expecting anything in return. I'm very, very open, and I face me and Casa personally, you know. I don't know if you know, but I have serious passion for women, and so I do a lot of women's stuff. When it comes to girls' school now, the me and Casa, I thought I may organize evangelism. I mean, why not? Why not?
I'm sure, Papa. That's also there to suffer. So, in your brains, my hand. See, come and see no digital platforms. Ning na ebe nya bi wodo.
People try e wo baby. I mean, o share ye person download. I just go on Boomplay, Audio Max, Spotify. Baby, you'll be able to download. Now, for here, Papa say, we go YouTube. Now I have video. No. Now we like it. Now we leave a comment. It's very important.
Okay.
The Pachoko YouTube. Now comment. Now feel we to hashtag. You know.
Come and see.
No, you show yeah.
Ahosepe, Badwam Ahosepe.
Hashtag Ahosepe. Na fato comment section. Miss Oriana Masheda me who say
Ampa. No ask about again. Celestine Donko. Nyame inshow be brain. No call down for unye juma. When you become na beauty secrets. Na be jaklama. But you better off head was been put up ya. But TV. Or said we feel too much. But that's what happened. And the place where Rebecca more had day. Na mama care there. Entrepreneurship. Week no Okuda or Rokodo 29th to 30th April. Momodana fa who shame be Mikado Conference Center and Orokodo Honum. It's no call my catching and painful be baba one ma wa build businesses Nazim wage now Ghana had any now baby pay more some journal in our over. Papa no so or lunch book a bien into the bomos na network because entrepreneurship is networking and not on my come and no pay more Mikado Conference Center Honum na participate in activities or baba or honum yado. Say pede from one aging shemi ye phone 0508110755 another a phone 0592409091. Unko chicho no why day are cafe bar noir jolu police station channel whatever had the hat with
oh I come up
I fine when it's ban so enjoy na no has about you was surprised we be there bra but catch a group of friends crowd but aba be painting as the way bibia wa ha come papa when it's ban so the case be in the price show be shock
oh wow
yeah be shock or the form kulem tibra na busy na wa so bachel yeah papa is no the fantadol new fruits and that me you know what had they on no be share camera ho some ama belonzi jinamu zunzun no had they Mr. Kofi don call so had they also supporting the wife zunzun the Marana Richmond was studio Priscilla na man nyame show ho nyina obi also masen amamutu mze interview mze bro obi a nyame show I also agem bro ni nyame show papa mze besi had they nyame adom a ye basana ye share because yai